Guys, it's your boy Big Mike, and I'm back for another YouTube video. And today, as you can see, I'm in the bathroom. Yeah, like I said, I'm in the bathroom, and I'm here. I'm here to prove that your boy Big Mike, I don't eat poop. I've never eat poop. Never will eat poop. That's nasty. So here's the secret to the poop video. So let's get it. It ain't no Reese's. You know it ain't no Kit Kat. You know it ain't no water. Which y'all probably thought I got some poop out of the water, but nah. Actually, what it is, guys, like I said, it's not a Reese's. It's not really considered like a actual candy bar. It's Take 5 bar, guys. It's what you eat to get healthy. It's actual, here it is. Take 5. See it? Take 5. Ooh. I got one ready right here. See it? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Yeah. That's what it is. See, all it is pretzel, peanut butter, and caramel. It's got chocolate coating. Really good. All I had to do is a little acting. I had to go, make y'all think I'm throwing up and stuff. But I just wanted to do this video because y'all thought my boy Big Mike I eat poop. Nope. Take 5 candy bars pretty good. I wonder if that's got some corn in it. No, it don't. Really good. Yep. Take 5, son. It ain't no poop. Haha.